other video. It sounds like I'm mumbling, but I'm not. It's just the audio. I hate the audio. Anyways, these are all my birds. There's my rooster right there. I could try to. You probably won't let me. No. But I can collect or con. But I think this is a common. Yeah. That's Scarlet. Yeah, that one's Scarlet. And that is Sebastian. No, Sebastian's all slimy on his feet, just like he does to everyone else. Vagar, Dragon, and we got Matilda. She's the main girl. They're all probably nice. The ice spicy one. Two ducks, Gina. So that's Phyllis. We don't love How do you feel, Phyllis? Look at her. That's Sam right there. Those are the 4 ducks. The Indian runners are this and that. With the black Swedish being Harley and LJ. LJ standing for Liam Jr. DJ? They don't follow me. Well, they always do follow me, but not all of them. Yes. Yep. Still got the Sugi in there, laying 4 eggs. That's the muskie right there. She's shooting. And turkey. Okay. What I'm going to do here is just make it around so I can just show it to her. You know, trust me, I'm close to the end of the video. I'm just going to skip into this. That's all the muscovy. Those are a few other muscovies. West Wilson. This is Tiger, by the way. She's very beautiful. Harlequin. I think Greenbeak is female. Yellowbeak is male. And she has a greenish beak. A greenish yellow, but I like to call it green. She is a female. She got mounted by Zach Alton. Yeah. I don't know where our older chickens are. We used to have so many of them. Now we have like 4 of them. Louise, which is a Polish. Rosie, which is a Decedent, which is, by the way, a mix. And we got nobody else. Yeah, we got Blanche and Lucky. Anyway, sorry. Blanche and Lucky, which are brownies. But this is where I'm gonna end it. There's old meatball over there messing with the cats all the time. Hold on, let me see if I can try to hold Sebastian. Hold on. I just need to figure out someplace. You know, I'll do it in the next video. Okay. No, that sounds a little too cringy.